Want to discover the latest trending, add your templates on Instagram? There's now a much easier way to find them. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find these trending templates so you can stay ahead of the curve. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app and tap on the option to add to your story. Now, here's where the magic happens. Look for the New Templates option. If you don't see it, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. And if it's still not available, it might be due to your region. But don't worry, it'll be rolling out to everyone soon. Once you click on Templates, you'll be taken to a selection of trending Add Your Templates. Scroll to the right to explore several popular templates, and below the trending section, you'll even find international hits. When you find a template you like, just click on it, and it'll open directly in your story, ready for you to use. It's that simple. This feature is a game changer if you love joining in on Add Your Story chains and staying on top of the latest trends. If you found this tip helpful, be sure to hit like and subscribe to our channel for more awesome Instagram tips and tricks. See you in the next video.